Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got some big news for you today and a brand new book. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this brand new project share. And if you're new, it's just fantastic to be here with you. This is a big book. It holds about 70 pictures and I had so much fun. I used the Today paper pack, watercolored by Frances Long. I'm sorry. This has seriously been one of the biggest journeys of my life. It has taken me years to finally buckle down and get my paintbrush and watercolor paper out and finally go to town. I've been practicing calligraphy. Here we are with our first paper pack ever. It's always been a dream to produce my own. And Shane has seriously helped me. We have a cut aparts page right there. 2 of them. Tags, 4x6s, 4x4s, 2x2s, you name it. It's there. We also have an entire page dedicated to all these elements on the back. And I'll leave the paper down in the description if you wanted to pick one of these up. I like the idea of having something very family oriented, so it's just a lot of nature and fun bits and pieces, and everything you see here is included in the collection pack. So right here on the front cover, we got the state-of-the-art acetate frame right there, and all my favorite supplies I'll leave down in the description as well. I got a little fussy cut banner going right here, and that was one of the first signature pages I painted, and I couldn't wait to share this with you. You got access right back here. You could stick your picture and then slide it back. And then a cute little tiny one right there. Now this whole unit is totally popped up, and this is the spine. I had so much fun watercoloring that paper right there. It is just so much absolute fun. Oh my goodness. And again, of course, I'll leave the tutorial down in the description as well. Right here on the front and side cover, you have this cute little popped up family right there, and then this cool little interactive insert comes right out of the front. So of course you can definitely add your picture inside this little guy right here. And you got a cute little picture right there as well. And of course you can use these sentiments however you want. We have a cute little magnetic closure in this one, and then it snaps back. And we also have the inside of here. And you can stick some more small pictures in there. These are actually 4x6s and uncropped totally right there, 6 pictures. Now you can put these sentiments anywhere again. Of course, I just kind of threw them in here to kind of show you what you can do. So right here we have our first little page. I've got a couple 2x2s and then 2x2 pictures right there, and our first 4x6 cute little cut apart, and then also a nice little tag. So I just have some cotton twine in there and then some journaling lines. You know how I love to do that. And then right here we have some 4x6 uncropped photo spaces, little photo mats that come out, and then places for journaling even if you wanted. Of course, you could totally customize where you put pictures in here and where you stick your little sentiments and your fantastic journaling. So that flips over and we have a cute little photo spot right here on the back, just the 2 of us. Nice little dedicated area for a super cute photo. I kind of was trying to go for a little bit of a traditional mixed in with that nowadays mini album feel. So this is so fun. I love the string of pearls coming over there, and I went to town. Right here we have a cute little gatefold, again, a perfect place for a photo, and of course you could tuck your images behind there. And these open up right here, a little magnetic closure, another signature page down here, and a cute little succulent assortment in a pot right there, and so much love. A couple more of these little elements I fussy cut out. Again, another little spread here. This one actually was from the 3x4 cutouts, and I just fussy cut around him and put Grateful up there. And Silly over here. Then you just close that back up and we have this cute little spread right here. Actually, it's a little section and another fun little tag. And oh, the fun we have to kind of document whatever you did on your special day. And then this is so cute because it's kind of just hanging out. And you could stick whatever you want in there, even a picture if you wanted. Some picture space on the back, cute little banner, and some layered pieces from the elements page. I just couldn't get over how fun that was to assemble that on there. And then we have some popped up photo mats right there. So I've got a lot of dimension in this, and we still have plenty of room for pictures, which is what it's all about. So I've got the boys right there. Nice 5x7 front and back, landscape and portrait. Those chuck back right inside there on that on-page pocket. You flip it over and we got this super cute angly L pocket. Again, another 5x7 picture, the girls. So if you wanted to take a picture of all the girls in the family, good times right here. And here's a 4x6 cutout that I just mounted on some black cardstock. And a cute little fun tag again. A little cluster going on here with some 2x2s. And then we have this awesome little pouch. So it's magnetized, says Sisters on there. A nice 3x4 spot right there. and a cute shrunken size of that same succulent cluster. Your memories are made. Cute little tag goes in there. And hugs. You can put a picture on the back of that too if you wanted. And then that flips on over. You got a cool cut apart right there from the paper collection. The book came together a lot quicker than I thought because I was just kind of pasting everything where it went, along with those little picture mats. This came out of the 4x4. I just fussy cut around him, added an element there. Of course, we can't leave out the family fur friends that we have. We love them so very much. Cats, dogs, and whatever else. Simple page right there with popped up photo mats. And right here we have another signature page kind of creeping over that pocket. You would not believe how many times it took me to repaint that until I got it just about where that voice out of my head that says I'm not good enough, and I just went for it. I'm finally here and I'm so excited. This came out of the elements right there. Family is where it's at, another 4x6, this time in the landscape fashion. We have a cute little couple fold outs there, fantastic. Friends with the smaller string of pearls and a nice journaling area. Me and you, a cute little pot. Oh my goodness. Again, a side pocket. All of us. Oh my goodness, if you become a monthly subscriber, you gain instant access to every single class I've ever created in my career. That is now including the live class. So it's so much fun. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over now. I have some corner rounding happening very simply right here. Wonderful. Little 2x2 spot. This opens up. We have fantastic area for picture right there and another succulent cluster. And we've got a cute little 3x3 area right there. And that magnetizes closed. Perfect spot for 2 pictures of the brothers right there. And then again, another repeat of this page. So I've got a couple more 4x6s in here. And then, oh my gosh, another cute tag. I love it so much. This flips over and again, picture space. And again, we've got another 5x7 and 4x6 photo mat right here. My goodness. Cute little sentiment right there, and the beautiful signature page. I'm sorry, I know it sounds kind of funny to talk about my own paper, but I had a lot of fun with this. And it's so much love and heart and everything went into this. Oh my goodness, random ideas at 2 in the morning. I just really thought it would be something so fun for you to enjoy and use if you ever decided to. And oh my gosh, for some reason I wanted to put some cactus inside of a brick planner, and you know what? That's my imagination. All right here in front of you is what you're seeing. Thank you everyone so much for joining me for this brand new project share. The colors really bring you on an adventure, and it's just a party. It's really been a pleasure to share my heart and soul with you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you next time. Bye.